How to change business Facebook page into personal. Now in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest method for you to be able to switch from business page account into your personal account. Now this can be done via the web version of Facebook or via the application. All process is going to be the same. So from the web browser, all I have to do is to log in into the current business page of your Facebook account. To switch it, at the top right, you should be able to see your profile menu right here that will redirect you into your account. Click that, then click on See All Profiles. Now you will be able to see all of your pages right here, including your personal account. For you to be able to switch into your personal is just to simply click on that specific account and it will automatically be switched into the account that you prefer. Same goes from the mobile device. And that is how you change business Facebook page to personal.